Do I have to speak loudly or macam ni okay?
Kau nak ikut conversation, kau nak kuat ke kau nak cakap macam biasa?
Macam ni je lah. Hi guys, my name is Alief Nurudin and today we'll be making aglio olio.
First kali kita orang kena ada, you guys kena ada. You guys, bukan kita orang. You guys. Pasta. You guys boleh buat pasta. Cara dia senang. You guys just you guys boleh buat pasta. Cara dia senang. You guys just garlic, alright, bawang putih, cili merah. Ni pun you guys kena potong kecil-kecil, tak tahu you guys boleh nampak ke tak. Yeah, alright, and tak lupa beef bacon guys, beef bacon. Kalau tak ada beef bacon, you guys bolehlah letak apa-apa yang you guys rasa nak letak. But hari ni memang saya nak tunjuk pasal aglio olio beef bacon. And last kali is parsley. Alright guys, so sebelum dia meletup kat muka aku. No more tat, brother. Macam mana nak buka api tu ah?
Now we get all the ingredients ready. Olive oil, water, salt, pepper, the roasted garlic tadi, some fresh garlic, some red chilies and a little bit of chili padi, because if not, tak ada kick, tak syok. Then you got the parsley.
Olive oil. Kalau you guys suka berminyak, you guys boleh letak banyak. Tapi kalau you guys macam tak suka berminyak sangat, you guys boleh control lah dia punya daripada banyak minyak. Macam saya suka makan banyak minyak sebab olive oil dia bukan minyak masak. So for me, it's much healthier daripada minyak masak.
Heat up your oil. Dah panas sikit. Just chuck in all these ingredients. Can you listen to that sizzle?
And after you guys letak minyak, garlic. Kalau you guys nak banyak, you guys boleh letak banyak. Kalau you guys nak sikit pun boleh sikit. And then terus masukkan cili. So biarkan dalam macam 1 minit macam tu. Untuk biarkan dia punya garlic dengan cili masak dulu.
Api kecil. Let it relax.
And then bacon. Sebab you guys kena masak bacon ni dulu sebab dia minyak kan. Kalau you guys masuk last takut dia apa panggil? Dia tak masak bacon tu.
Put in your pasta. Api besar. Toss. A little bit of water.
So after that you guys boleh letak pasta. And air sikit.
Put in your salt. Be generous with your salt. Salt.
Dan letak chicken stock sikit. And then pepper and salt. Alright.
Some pepper.
Last kali you guys letak parsley. Fresh parsley you guys potong kecil-kecil and then yeah,
Toss it. Parsley. Now you don't want the pasta to be too cooked. You want it al dente, so meaning you want a little bit of bite kat tengah-tengah tu. That's it. Very simple dish. It just tastes beautiful.
ready to serve and ready to makan. Cut. Alright guys, itu saja nak buat aglio olio beef bacon. Alright, you guys boleh try kat rumah, masak untuk family, untuk diri sendiri ke apa.
So you got that kick from the chili, you get the freshness from the parsley, and the garlic. Who doesn't love garlic?
If you like this video,
make sure you guys like and subscribe. And this is aglio olio. Peace out.
last kali saya nak cakap, If you guys terasa nak makan aglio olio, bolognese, carbonara, buttermilk chicken, have you guys heard of that? Alright, kalau belum pernah dengar buttermilk chicken, you guys can check out pastapeople.my dekat Instagram. Alright, thank you.
Ambil. Kau siapa?
Dah pandang boleh?
Mana?